Hello, lovelies. Welcome back to MJ's Secret.
Oh, yeah, so we bet. Them say, the black see what you do for them.
And I'll name the fascinator Alina Fascinator. So we'll be using crinoline net, and the width of the crinoline net is 7 inches. The width, and I'll be using 3.5 yards. 3 yards is 36 inches, so 36 inches into 3 places with half, that's 18 inches. That's the length of the crinoline net I'll be using. We have the Harley's band, wrapped Harley's band. If you don't know how to wrap the Harley's band, I have a video. I will tag the video on how to wrap Harley's band. Be using our scissors, our UHU gum. This is needle and fishing line. If you are using fishing line, it's 0.35 diameter. And of course, we'll be designing it with our long feather. Okay, so let's watch how I'm doing it. Sorry, never took light in this part. So you bring the crinoline nets together, fold it into 2, and bring them out together. Just watch as I'm doing it. Just secure the mouth, the tip of the crinoline net. Secure the tip and cut off the excess. Cut off the excess. So when you are done cutting off the excess, so you know it was folded into 2, then you start folding it. Just watch the way I'm doing it. It's very easy. When you fold into 2 places like that, like up and down, opposites facing each other, you tag it down. You see how I rolled my fishing line and tag it down. Then you can pick it again and fold. Okay, fold like that. Just bring the middle together, fold the other part, the down part, let's call it up and down. Fold the down part, secure it down. Just watch closely what I am doing. Okay, so you continue like that until you are done with all the nets that you have. You continue like that until you are done with all the nets that you have. You fold up, fold down, let the 2 meet at the middle, then you secure it down. So at this point, if you are yet to subscribe to our YouTube channel, please do well to subscribe to the channel. Like, comment if you love what you're doing. Like, comment, and share to other people so that they can also learn. So I am almost done here. So you bring it. Okay, you see what I'm doing? Yes, it's almost done. And you bring the last part to it. Make sure what you are tagging is firm and neat. Make sure it is firm and neat. So that's how to work on all the crinoline net. You make it, you can make it longer than each other, anyhow you prefer, you want it to be. Then when you are done with everything, you can use your hand to adjust it. Maybe you bring it out, you arrange it the way you want. It's a very beautiful design. Tag it down, arrange it. You can see it's very lovely. It's a very lovely design that you will love to do, and it doesn't take time at all. One of the beautiful things about this design is it doesn't take time at all. So there is light. The light has come back here. Thank God. So it doesn't take time at all. Once you're done, you are sure that it is firm. The next thing now is, before you see I dropped the trimming, you take your Harley's band, the wrapped Harley's band, and secure it. Tag your fascinator to the band. You tag your fascinator to the band. So I'm trying to adjust the fascinator here to my desired taste, to what I like, what I want. So don't put it on top of the band. So just put it by the side by the side of the band and tag it down firmly and neatly. Forget firmly and neatly. Tag it down firmly and neatly. That's what I am doing here. The reason why I didn't put that, I have a video on how to wrap Harley's band, as I said earlier, and one of the videos shows how we can put straps to the band. So the reason why I did put straps to this one is because the weight of the net that is sitting on the band is not too much, it's not heavy, so there is no need of putting rope. When you put it on the head, it will stay firmly on the head. No matter how you dance at the party or in the church, it will stay. Thank you for watching. See you in the part 2 of the video.